Let's place a sliding pocket door in this wall here. So when you come in the entrance, you can come through. And let's place some doors here. We're going to make this a bathroom section. So we need a door here and a door in this wall with a toilet inside here. Let's make sure we're on the ground level, the correct level. Select door, double click settings, type pocket into the top field and search. And we need pocket door 19. Select pocket door 19 and change the dimensions as follows. We're going to make that door 1000 or 1 meter wide by 2100, sill to story 0, and we need to select side 2. So we can see we've got some views down here where we can view what the door looks like. This is the pocket that goes inside the wall. So in this door, it slides back inside the wall. You don't see it. Let's go into sliding door settings. And in this tab, keep it a glass door. Now we want the door frame. We want the pocket frame. We want the frame thickness to be equal to the wall thickness. That's automatic. And we want the leaf to be centered so that the leaf, that's the actual door leaf, goes back into the center of the wall. And we've got the same choices here. If we wanted to change some of these dimensions or architraves, we don't want those on there. So here's casing. Casing is turned off anyway. So make sure the casing is off. We don't want timber around the edges. Now that that's done, press OK, and we'll place our door in. Let me say this, as we're building this house, you're designing, you're not actually drafting, you're not redrawing a plan off another plan. So if we just zoom in, we want this door to be up against the wall here, and tick OK. We've got our cursor, we can decide which way we want this door to open. Let's go on the right hand side, click the upper right hand side, and there's our wall in place. Don't forget to press arrow to get out of that function. Let's have a look in 3D, and there it is. Let's have a bit of a fly through. So there's our sliding door. Now as we come in here to have a look, there it is. Now in designing, I think that this door is too close to the edge of the wall for when you come into this door. Now this door, the front door opens outwards and you come in. So this is let's go back to 2D. This is the good thing about designing. We can choose the door. We're going to move this door about 600 to the right. So what we need to do is select the door and just right click and go move, drag. And when we click on one of these nodes, let's start to drag it. And let's hit D and we'll type in 600, enter. And just click. As we select, just scroll in and out and the drawing will update. And there's the door, it's moved 600. So while we're showing you these commands is so that you can have freedom to move things around to suit your design. You're going to be designing the next house. So I'm showing you these things so hopefully you'll catch on and be able to learn these techniques to play around with your own design, moving things around in an easy way so you don't have to delete the door, go in, set it up again and install it. You can just move things around to suit the way that you want them. So that looks a lot better, I think, as we go through this door and into the main area. Now let's go back and put in some internal doors, and the internal doors are going to go in this bathroom area that we've got here. So we need a door, 2 doors. So let's go to the toilet doors, select our object from our hinge doors folder, click on the hinge doors folder, scroll down, and here we are, and door 19. Let's select door 19, go in to set some parameters here. Now door 19, I'm going to make it standard door size, so it's 820. And to make it matching when we look across in that room to this pocket door, let's keep it the same height, so it's 2100. Sill to story is 0, and we want reveal to wall face to be 70, and we'll see what that looks like, and we can adjust it in the 3D view if we don't like the look of it. Go anchor side 2, hinge door settings, door leaf. Let's go style number 56, and that will be good for a bathroom door. Press OK, scroll in. Now when we come to put our door in, we want it up against the wall, not right up against the wall. Let's leave it about there. And we can change which way the door opens. We want it to open up against the wall, and that's it. Now notice up in the top toolbar here, we've got some of these selections we had inside the settings dialog. We've got reveal to wall face, which is 70. Seal to story. We can change some of these things in here if we want to, if we don't like it. So let's have a look at reveal to wall face. That's the reveal. Let's get out of the door function. There's the reveal here. Here's the reveal. That's the timber reveal or the timber jam. And let's have a look at moving it closer in to the inside of this room. So let's select the door, and those settings will come back on. Now let's try 100, see what happens. And notice it's moved the other way. So let's try 0. And now our door is right on the inside face. But we have the cavity. Remember, we have 2 bricks with the cavity. So let's go 50. Now we can see when we zoom in, the green jam represents the door frame timber, and it covers the cavity. So we wouldn't want to have that timber on the edge of the brick because we'd see right through the cavity of the brick. So that looks good. So we've made 50 reveal to wall face. Let's place another door inside. We want to use the same door. Let's select frame thickness equals the wall thickness on this door, and we'll go OK. Whoops, bad move. I still had that door selected. You need to make sure that we don't have any doors selected. Now go back into door and door 17, style 50, and let's go into the settings. We want to select frame thickness equals wall thickness. That means the timber will automatically be the same size as the wall. So let's go OK. We need to change the frame style. We've still got 56, which is good. So OK. Let's place the door in the wall. Remember, this wall is 70mm stud, but overall thickness of 90. So let's go back here. Now we want it to open up towards the curved wall, but we don't want it to hit the curved wall. So let's come in here, select, and that looks good. Now if we want to move it closer to that wall, I've already shown you how you can move things around. Let's select the door, zoom in, right click, move, drag, and let's just drag it over about there. Don't worry about that, that'll update. And there's the door. It's not hitting the wall. We wouldn't want that to hit the wall. And there's our 2 doors. Let's go into 3D and have a look, see what that looks like. And there's our other door there, which goes into our bathroom. Back into 2D. Make sure you deselect. You can either hit escape, or you can just right click and go deselect all and save.